Are you in need of a new roof for your Northglenn, Colorado home or business? Look no further than Denny's Roofing, LLC. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we are committed to providing exceptional service and quality workmanship. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality workmanship to ensure your satisfaction. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we understand the importance of a well-built, sturdy roof. That's why we use only the highest quality materials and advanced techniques to provide you with a roof that will protect your property for years to come. Our skilled team specializes in roof replacement in Northglenn, Colorado for both residential and commercial properties. We offer a wide variety of roofing options to fit your specific needs and budget, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roofs. No matter the size or complexity of the job, we are up to the challenge. Don't wait until it's too late. Let us take care of your roofing needs today. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/northglenn-roofing-company to see our portfolio of past projects and rate testimonials from satisfied customers. And when you're ready to take the next step, give us a call at 970-478-9607 to schedule a free consultation. Let us help you protect your property and keep it looking its best with a new roof from the experts.